Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck for your daily energies and for your love energies, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that is your oracle guidance for today. So that will answer the deep questions you have regarding your work situation or your relationship. So we'll pick one card from that and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. So we'll turn the cards now, guys, for your daily energies. Aquarius, 5 of Wands, Justice in reverse, 6 of Cups in reverse. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are making great efforts in your life. So whatever goals that you want to reach, you are not leaving anything unturned. You are making great efforts to reach those goals, and you are seeing success in your sure success in your future. You are assured of your success. So whatever goals it is, you are reaching it, guys. You are seeing it. That is what I see here. And you have a set way of working things, maybe in your relationship or in your personal life. You are a person who is unbiased. You are non-judgmental, and you see a situation with clear perception, clear knowledge, and you are able to assess things as they are. And that may be the reason that you are seeing success. So maybe in your work situation, certain projects or deals, whatever, that were getting suspended, so that is reviving. Those things are reviving, guys. Or maybe in your relationship, you would have been in a separation, but this person may be coming back to you. So that is also the energy here, guys, with these cards. So they want to come back to you because of the way you are, because they see you as the person who has that clear knowledge of things and who has that perfect understanding. So let us see what are these cards. Book, Rider, Snake. So with these cards, again, just like I said, you are a person of great understanding and knowledge. You clearly know the deepest truth in any situation, and you are getting some happy announcements, guys. You are getting some important message, or someone coming in, someone visiting, maybe a relative, a long lost relative who had no contact with you. They may be coming towards you to visit you, or this person with whom you were in separation, they may be coming towards you, guys. And you are really feeling charmed by certain situations, or for some of you all, this person may come back with certain bad intentions. They want to they are putting up a face that they have changed, but they have not changed for the better. They might be coming back to deceive you even more, guys. So you need to be careful about your situation. That is what I see here. So let us see what is the oracle's guidance for your Aquarius. Building blocks. With this card, the oracle's guidance is that, guys, this is the time for us to build that strong foundation in our work or in our relationship. So in our relationship, we should build that foundation with honesty, humility, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other, to know each other. When we work on this firm ideals, our relationship will be long standing, guys, and it will hold on in any struggles, in any fights, whatever troubles that it may come across. So even in your work situation, you should build your foundation with the strong intentions that you have on your dreams, whatever you feel truthfully within yourself. When you have that inspiration, confidence, and strength to go in a particular way, whatever it is, it should be based on your intentions, guys, what you want to be and what is success for you. So when you work on that, when you work on the truth, you will be able to build that with a strong foundation, and you will surely reach success. So you have to have that um, uh, foundation built on truth, guys, whatever truth is for you in your relationship or in your work situation. So that is the oracle's guidance for us, Aquarius, and that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.